Pixi. I don't know what it is.
Hi guys!
It's Rissrose.
No,
2.
I'm Rissrose 2 and you are?
Rissrose.
No, you're a mini Rissrose because you like makeup tutorials and videos and stuff.
Hi, I'm imsantanarae.
Yes, you are. And we are going to show off all of our Pixi products that they've been sending me. We're gonna start going through an unboxing and showing and playing. So stay tuned.
Hi guys, I'm imsantanarae number 2. And I'm going to be testing out this new Pixi box today. And this one. And then this big Pixi box. And I'm going to be testing out this.
Let's do this one first.
All these nice Pixi box makeups. I'm going to be testing all of them.
Test it on mommy. You can't test all of them on your face.
Okay. I'm going to put this one on. And mommy, I put this on you, okay?
You can put that on me too.
It looks black.
I know, but once you put it on, it turns like really pink.
Put a little bit on my cheek?
Yep. Can you see yourself?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, this is
Okay.
for your eyeballs.
And then just dot it.
You things.
Yeah, just dot it. Two fingers like this, and then just dab it on your face.
And then now.
Okay.
It's so green. And now this one.
Oh gosh, there's so much going on right now.
No, it's a pretty pink.
It is a pretty pink. There's just a light flush to the skin. It's a cheek stain. Now Lena is doing the eyeshadow. What is it? This is Liquid Fairy Lights. It's a glimmery shadow. So
Like on you?
yeah, like on my eyes. Just a little bit, please. Wow. And then we're just gonna blend that in. Wow, what do you think?
Good.
You like it? Okay, good. And now, well, what else we got in here?
What?
We got a lip tone, which is Hello Kitty. You love Hello Kitty. And then we got this and this. Right? But are we moving on?
Yeah. We're
Okay,
moving
thank
on to this.
What? This is the Rose collection, which is fitting because I'm Rissrose. We got all of these. Which one are we gonna do first?
I'm gonna do
The Lift Lip Max.
and then I can put the swirl on too.
Yeah. Sure? You gonna put it on?
Yeah.
You put it on you and I'll put it on me.
Okay. I wanna put that on me.
It should have a cooling sensation on it.
On me.
Just putting it in her mouth. What else do we got? Let's do the shade stick. Since you're good at the eyes, you could do mommy's other eye. Pink, oh, it's pink quartz. Oh, it's nude.
It's
Here.
glittery.
It's glittery. Do this eye.
My turn to put it on. Mommy, it's my.
Oh, you're gonna put it on yourself? Okay. Put it on your eye a little bit. Good job, Santi.
Now we can totally see it.
You can totally see it, huh? What about the other eye? Let's make it even. Do the other eye.
But how about the other makeup?
No,
The
you have to be
other eye.
even. Do this other side. Cute. Whoa. Okay. Gentle, 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 gentle. Obviously, this shade stick is for everyone
Mommy, this
because it
smell
worked on
like
me.
face mask.
It smells like face mask. It worked on Santi, and she's quite fair.
Since you tried it.
This is a skin perfector, right? Yep, Radiance Perfector. You can't put this one on your face because your skin is sensitive. It is rose. We can put it on your hand.
Okay,
Rose
thank you.
infused. Ooh.
Mommy,
Did you put on yours? Let's see. What does it smell like?
it smells good.
Oh, it's like glowy.
It is glow.
It is glow. It's like hydrating.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you don't need that. You don't need that until like later.
Mommy.
Next one, we have a natural lip, which is a moisturizing lip color. We love moisturizing. So glad we're out of the matte era.
Do you think I should put this
Parched.
on? Hey.
Wow. Pretty.
Ooh, that's a nice color.
Yeah.
Oh, on my tooth. That doesn't
You got on your tooth? Okay, let's see. This actually looks pretty red.
This is mine or mine. Everybody's.
Okay, Weena, let's see.
It's really spicy.
Spicy? No, not this one. You probably got the aftermath of the lip plumping. What do we got next? Oh, let's do this one. We have the Hydra lip treats. Which one's your favorite?
Pink.
All right, let's give these a go. Can you hold these?
1, 2, 3, teddy. Inside our things too.
Let's wipe this off.
Hi.
Is this your favorite one?
Yeah. And this is my favorite one. There.
Okay, it's an advanced.
These are huge.
Yeah, they are huge. It instantly hydrates, smooth, and softens lips. Wow.
Mommy, help me.
Oh, you need to open it? Here. Okay, Tana, I think that's it. Yeah. All right, Tana, that's done.
Oh.
There we go.
Pretty.
Cat kawaii.
Weena showed us in here. What else we got?
We have to do this.
These are hydrating Milky Mist, the Glow Tonic, which I always keep in stock, and the Rose Blend, which is skincare, but we're not gonna put that on the girls.
Only you?
Only me, you don't need it. Okay, so hold it up, hold all the stuff up.
Thank you, Pixie. Thank you, Pixie. Thank you, Pixie.
Thank you, Pixie.
Till next thing.
Say-
Now?
Yeah, you can just start, we'll do some bloopers, let's test it out.
Hi, guys. I'm Centennial number 2, and I'm going to test out this new Pixi box. Mina, get out of the video. I test this new. Hi, guys. I'm going to be testing this new Pixi box today. Wait, no. Wait. Hi, guys. I'm Lena Sky, and I'm number 2. New thing. And I put this on.
Here, just hold it up.
I'm Centennial.
Good?
Good job.